Hey guys, it's Flip, and today I'm going to give you an update on the peel and stick backsplash that we installed a year and a half ago. So since I posted this video a year and a half ago, there has been a lot of comments and questions posted on the video, but probably the number one thing I get asked is how is it holding up? So that's what I'm going to try to show you in this video. I will also try to answer some of the other commonly asked questions. But first I'm going to go ahead and take this mirror down so you can see the top edge. It's normally not visible, but I want you to be able to see the whole thing just so we can see how it's holding up. So now the mirror's down and you can see the whole backsplash. So I'll just kind of pan around so you can see the whole thing. I'm not seeing any major areas where it's peeling off the wall. And there are a lot of hot showers taken in here and a decent amount of moisture. Of course there's an exhaust fan, but there's still a lot of moisture in here. And it seems to be holding up pretty well after a year and a half. Now, how long will this hold up? I'm not 100% sure. I know it's doing all right for now, so we're just going to take it one day at a time and see how it goes. Hopefully it holds up a long time, but I can do another update down the road if you'd like. But so far, so good. So the caulk we used was a light gray Dynaflex Ultra from Lowe's, and we actually used a caulk that is meant for windows and doors, which is not what you should typically do. You should typically use 100% silicone in a bathroom, but I could not find any in a gray, and I just wanted to try a gray and just see how it holds up. If it starts to get mold and mildew after a while, I will just take it out and put in 100% silicone. But I would definitely recommend, if you're doing this for the first time, 100% silicone is the best option for bathrooms and other situations where there's going to be a lot of water. So some other common questions I get are, does water affect this? And is this 100% waterproof? My answer to those are, yes, I'm sure water does affect it, and no, it's not 100% waterproof. It seems to be holding up for now. It's been a year and a half and I don't see any issues at all so far. Could there be some issues down the road? I'm sure there could be. It's not going to hold up as good as real ceramic tile would, of course. But it seems to be doing the job for now. I think this holds up to some moisture, but I don't know that I would go putting it around a bathtub or a shower where you're going to get a ton of direct contact with a lot of water. Of course, this does get splashed on and it takes some toothpaste, shrapnel, and it seems to wipe off pretty easy with a wet rag. I haven't had any issues with that. But I don't know if it's something I would be putting around a bathtub or a shower. A sink, it seems to be holding up fine. Another question I get a lot is, can you put this directly on existing ceramic tiles? And the answer is yes, you can. As long as they are smooth tiles and not textured tiles, not a problem at all. Another question I get a lot is, where'd you get the tiles? These are called smart tiles and I got them at Home Depot, and I'll put a link to these exact tiles under the video. Another question that I get is, what is that thing that you are cutting on in the first video? That is called a self-healing cutting mat, and again, I will put a link to one of those on Amazon directly under the video. Another question I get asked a lot is, are these easy to remove? Is it safe to do if I'm a renter? You know, can I take these off without damaging the wall and losing my deposit? So first I'll just tell you that I have never done it personally. I have never taken these down. Now I have read online where somebody asked the company that exact question, and I can tell you what the company says. The company says they're easy to remove with little to no damage. You can use a blow dryer to soften up the adhesive and then use a cleaning product to wash off the wall and get off any remaining glue. You just start in one corner and slowly pull until you peel off the tile. Now I have read some comments online that when you remove these, you probably will take off a little bit of paint, but no major damage. That can just be repainted. So as far as I know and from what I've read online, they are pretty easy to remove if you decide to change these out. Okay, I think I answered the most commonly asked questions, so that's it. I just wanted to give you a quick update. A lot of people have asked how it's holding up, so I just figured I'd show you. If this video helped you out, please hit the thumbs up button for me and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.